it's important that you learn the lessons here on this neutral zone. No, yung where your creativity increases, new ideas form, learning accelerates, and reinvention happens. Because if you're able to succeed in doing that, you'll get to the new beginning. Okay? Yung next Monday is still not a new beginning for us. As a neutral zone pa tayo nun. Okay? So when do you know that you're in the new beginning? People accept the change and start performing well in new roles or new processes. Pakiramdam nyo, weeks, months, itong indicator na to. Sa tingin nyo, kung bibigyan nyo yung sarili nyo ng timetable, anong tingin nyo? 1 month, 2 months? Kailan yung new beginning nyo, Rona?
Parang sa requirement, sir, as soon as possible eh.
Pero if we're being realistic, kasi yung as soon as possible is, as soon as possible, we move from this, we need to move from this to this. Ito yung ASAP. You know, allow yourselves to grieve this week. Next week, you need to tackle this. If you do this, if you can do this in a month, ang galing nyo na. Okay? Imagine me standing up and giving you standing ovation. If you can do that in a week. If you can do it in 3 months, you've done well, no? But the truth is, even as we want to make changes effective immediately, they're not effective immediately. Kasi nga, sabi natin, ganyan ang itsura niyan. Hindi ito mabilis. Yung part na yan. Itong part na to ay hindi rin mabilis, no? But this one here is somewhere here. So that's a journey you will have to take as leaders. And I wish you luck in doing it. No? Not only that, I wish you courage. Okay? I wish you courage to do it.